So in the bike comparison and bikes together, so here's two that are you think are identical. There's a 450 6 days and a 500 6 days. So this is a 2018, 2016. So this belongs to, say hello.
Hey.
So he took the bike, so just so you know, his bike went from Estonia all the way down to South Africa. So at the moment mine is sitting with about 35,000 kilometers and about 600 hours. His is with how many would you have?
54,000 kilometers.
And how many hours?
1,050 hours.
But aren't KTM unreliable and they break down every 500 kilometers?
No, never left me on the road.
So what did you change on the bike? What's different than stock, or what happened?
Yeah, it's like the biggest thing are three things are I think, like you need a bigger tank, and I changed the wheels because it drives a lot better with the CUSH drive on the back. And I think the third one is, which I didn't change but you have to change, is the kickstand, because the original one is like not meant for the weight of the luggage. So this broke on the way to South Africa, so I would change it in the beginning now.
And what about the fork seals?
Huh?
The fork seals as well?
Yeah, like I had like one leakage in the Romania, but after that, like I got this, I don't know how to call this, scrapers on the forks, and like zero problems afterwards.
Yeah, the mud scrapers, which I have on mine as well.
Yeah.
So 54,000 kilometers, and from Eastern Europe to the southern tip of Africa, and still going, and no issues. So yeah, don't buy a KTM because they break down. They're no good. They're terrible bikes.
Yeah, it's like with every bike, if you take care of it, it's not gonna break easily.
Okay. So that's it, just a quick short one. So yeah, 1,000 hours on a 2018. That's probably the highest hours on a 2018 maybe anywhere, but maybe somebody has something higher. But my bike will be in the same range probably in a few weeks. So that's it for that.